Just wanted to do a quick video on soil. I just pulled out all the melon foliage and the corn that I had in here. And this soil, look at it. There's still plenty of life in here. There's lots of life in here. That's what you want. All these little critters are going to help to break down everything that I put in here. That's why it's very important to continually feed your soil. I'm done harvesting the vegetables and fruits out of this bed, and I'm going to restore the nourishments with compost, leaves, grass clippings. All these things will feed the soil, will feed the worms. They'll break the matter down. Now you can still see the vermiculite that I put in early in the spring. And the compost is fully broken down, except for a few things here, but for the most part, that's great. I'm just simply amazed. Mother Nature is awesome. All you have to do is help her along, and she'll take care of the rest. Thank you guys for watching. Just a short tip here on soil. God bless you.